Welcome to ecopenny. Today I'm going to swap the Forester to do the grocery shopping with the e-bike and trailer for the first time. Let's see how I go. Get my shopping bags out of the boot. Made it to the bike storage area. Let's get shopping. That's the load of groceries done. Use the trailer as a trolley. Time to hitch up and go back home. So that was easy. First time doing grocery shopping using the e-bike and trailer. So it all worked out well. Wasn't too hard. Riding the e-bike wasn't too bad with the trailer. Probably had about 15 kilos worth of groceries. The trailer can take about 25 kilos maximum of cargo weight. Had to put the power mode up to turbo a bit more often just to get moving. Once I was rolling, it wasn't too bad with the trailer. So, great combination. I used the trailer as a shopping trolley, just converted it into stroller mode, putting the extra wheel in the front. That all worked out well too. It's probably 10 centimetres wider than a trolley, so almost the same width as a normal shopping trolley and shorter. Not as long from front to back. So, now graduated to using the e-bike for cargo like shopping or transporting tools and other goods. So I hope this was interesting. Important day for me. Basically the e-bike's much more functional with a trailer, can do extra things that otherwise I'd need the car for in the past. So thanks for watching. Thanks to all the subscribers, up to 450 plus at the moment, which is fantastic. See you next time.